Hi, my name is Daniel Turner. I'm the CEO of Traxyl, and I'm being asked what would fiber disrupt next. I kind of want to turn the question around and ask what would disrupt fiber next. And at Traxyl, we are building machines that essentially paint fiber optic cables directly on pavement without trenching. And so we're trying to solve the last mile problem, get connectivity to the hard to reach and underserved locations, and doing it at an affordable and really fast speed and a really affordable cost. So what would fiber disrupt next? I think getting connectivity to those last mile, last connections that need to be made in order to grow the economy and paint the future.